This poem, Belgian Hares, is for the PEN Peace Day readings. I wrote it about 18 months ago on a visit to the Western Front, and I'm in my study standing in front of Charlie Burton's wonderful drawing Ambulance Men on the Somme. Belgian Hares. On the drive from Pilcombe to Artillery Wood, in the wide field stubble, we see a hare rise up from its haunches, stand tall, then with sinewy legs stretching and pumping, bound directly into a solid wall of ripe corn, to disappear. There is no metaphor here.